Derivative rules are one of the most important parts of calculus. In this video, we will learn about derivative rules for polynomial functions. These are all of the rules for polynomial function derivatives. I will go through and explain each one with an example. The first rule is the constant rule. This states that the derivative of any constant c is automatically 0. For example, the derivative of the constant 5 is 0. Next is the power rule. This states that the derivative of any function x to the n is equal to n times x to the power of n minus 1. For example, let's take the derivative of 3 times x to the 4th. You can see in this function that n is equal to 4. So, using the power rule, we can see that the solution is going to be 3 times 4x to the 4 minus 1, which finally comes out to 12 times x cubed. The third rule is the constant multiple rule. This states that the derivative of any function c times f of x is equal to c times the derivative of f of x. For example, the derivative of 5 times f of x is equal to 5 times the derivative of f of x. The fourth rule is the sum/difference rule. This rule states that the derivative of the sum or difference of any two functions f and g is equal to the derivative of f plus or minus the derivative of g. For example, let's take the derivative of 2x squared plus 3x cubed. Here, we can see that f of x is 2x squared and g of x is 3x cubed. So, using the power rule, we can find out that the derivative of 2x squared plus 3x cubed is equal to 4x plus 9x squared. Another rule is the product rule. It states that the derivative of a function u times a function v is equal to u times the derivative of v plus v times the derivative of u. For example, let's take the derivative of 2x squared times 3x cubed. We can see that u is equal to 2x squared and v is equal to 3x cubed. So the derivative of 2x squared times 3x cubed is equal to 2x squared times 9x plus 3x cubed times 4x. Last but not least is the quotient rule. This states that the derivative of a function u divided by a function v is equal to v times the derivative of a function u minus u times the derivative of v all over v squared. For example, let's take the derivative of 2x squared divided by 3x cubed. We can see that u is equal to 2x squared and v is equal to 3x cubed. So the derivative of 2x squared divided by 3x cubed is equal to 3x cubed times 4x minus 2x squared times 9x squared all over 3x cubed and the whole thing squared. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood the polynomial derivative rules better after watching this video.